Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Friday, end of the week, June 12th. And what a killer day today we had. Just an unbelievable day in the market. 2 in the NASDAQ, 5 in the ES, all winners. Pretty much no heat on any of our positions. And I'm going to run through everything what we did today. First trade we had was an S play in the NQ. S play in the NQ on the 951 candle. 98.02 was the call, and the sucker went all the way up. I told everybody it had to get above 20 on a close in order for it to get any more. It went up to 23.25, but it didn't close above 20. It never closed above 20 actually anywhere here, but just on that move there, that was almost 100 tick move. Again, we just had monster moves today, so that doesn't look like a lot, but that was from 02 to 23. It's 20 points, 80 ticks, not 100. To the target there. And then we flipped it around. We actually got short in the ES in between here. But I'll get to that in a second. And I'm going to, the trade we took was in the NQ was here, at 96.9950, and that trade went all the way down. Just literally, we had all our targets were filled. You see these circles here? And we're talking about this the whole time. It had to close below this target to get to this target, this target to get to this target. This was it. I told everybody, in fact, we went long in the ES after this. But this was I don't even know. It was from 9,700. It was a well over a 400 tick trade. It actually went further than that, but we were already out of it because I told everybody once the ES got to what was the price that we got in there down here? 29.97. We got long there. It was just a sick day. So that was a great trade there. And then in the ES, like I said, in between the long we took in the NASDAQ and the short there, we started pounding the ES short. Here we got short at 59. That made up to 6 points. Told everybody it was crucial that they lock in a couple points, at least to profit on any runner, because it may come up. If it did come up and come back down, we would get back in, which we did, up to 6 points on that trade. And then we pounded it at 54 on the 1030 candle, and sucker just went all the way down. So we were already in here, and then for people who were out, we got in the NASDAQ right around here. For those who were still in, I said leave your runner go, start trailing that, get in the NASDAQ. You're in a free trade, you can't lose with profits. We pounded that all the way down, and I told everybody, whoever was in, if you were flat, obviously go long. If you were in, reverse on the ES and buy at 29.97. I said don't miss it. I said, if you can get in at 98 if you want, 97.50, 98, but it should go down to 97 and give us a fill. It went down to 96.75, I believe, was the absolute bottom of that on that move there. Filled to the tick, no heat. Immediately they bought it up, and it was like a 9 point trade within 10, 15, 20 seconds, because this was towards the end of the candle. And then it went up, and I called a target of 15 or 20. So it was up to 23 points on that trade. Said specifically that they wanted to get to 30 or 40, but that they had to close above 20. You'll see here they never closed above 20. That was the target. I said they had to do it, otherwise it was going to come down. Once it came down, I said, look, I don't know how low this is going to go, but we should be able to get something on it. But it was very critical that we closed below 95, and we did get short 99.50, and you'll see here it actually went all the way down to 89.75, almost 10 points, but it never closed below 95. So I said, look, it went 9, 8, 9, 10 points. That might be it. If it comes back up, we'll see what we can do, because I was still had these larger targets. We did get long on the ES. Last trade of the day, 11:36. We got long at 20 a quarter, and the sucker went all the way up. And just initially we got 10 points. And it chopped around there a little bit, never came really too much further below our entry, and we did get up in there, and that was the end of the morning. It was just a sick day. We are going to come back tomorrow on Monday and do it all over again. If you're looking to be more consistent with your trading, please check out our free trial. You won't regret it. www.futurestradingcoach.com. Have a safe weekend, and we'll see everybody back on Monday. Bye-bye.